In this video, I will show you how you can change the screen timeout period on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Display. Under the Display settings, just scroll down and you will find the option for Screen Timeout. Now just tap on Screen Timeout, and from here you will be able to customize the Screen Timeout settings to whatever you want. As you can see, you can lower down the screen timeout duration all the way to 15 seconds, and you can keep it turned on all the way up to 10 minutes. Now you also have the option to keep the screen on while viewing. Now once you enable this feature, the screen of your Samsung phone will be turned on while you're looking at it. And once you stop looking at the screen, it will automatically turn off. And this is how you can change the screen timeout period on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.